Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Fast and free shipping. Get this in no time. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we're about to see what's inside. Another cut there. And a cut there. Alrighty. What do we have here? Alright, this is coming from my good friends over at Linkind. This is going to be Wi-Fi LED 4 bulb pack. Multicolor. I'm going to have to get my other phone. I'll take a look right now for a moment. See what these things look like. And I'll test it out in my bathroom. QR code. So here are the bulbs. Really, oh, these are lightweight. Yeah, these are nice. So you got 1, 2. I think I only need 3 down here, so shouldn't be that bad. Should be easy to hook up to. So there'll be an app for iOS or Android, and you get the 4-pack, which I'll have the link down. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here we are. We got a trusty old cell phone back. Tweak the brightness. Should be alright there, yep. Alright, now go to the App Store. Download, what was it called, Linkind? Linkind. Linki. There they are. Second one. I think I already got it going. Just had to update it. Status. Hopefully I remember the password. If not, we're going to have to do a quick reset. But these are the bulbs right here. I'm not sure how many watt is it. 9 watt E26. Yeah, either iOS or Google Play. No hub required, so that's good. Should be easy peasy. Cost is going to be for yearly $1.08. Brightness 800 lumens. Life is 3 hours a day. 22.5 years. Wow. Energy used 9 watts. Alright, now it's done. Oh boy, hold on one sec. Oh yes, we got it pulled up right here. I had the alarm I did for it, which is really sweet too. So if you guys need like a nice house alarm, easy to use setup, get one of theirs. Kitchen. Just click on. And yes, I like to use Bluetooth. Right down here, light bulbs. I gotta find out which one is it. Model 1. Linkind. They're all Zigbee. Light bulbs. There we are. I think it's this one. Can't tell. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna see. Alright guys, you're gonna want to make sure you slide your Wi-Fi down to the settings and click on the light. It will pop up and then it will connect it to this. And then take a little stroll to the bathroom. 1 second. Alright guys, right now it's gonna be connecting. There we go. Got it up. You can rename it, put it in groups. So we'll do bathroom. Bathroom 1. Save. And you can assign device to a room, like your Alexa and all that good stuff, I do believe. Oh, spare bedroom. Default right now. Done. Colors. You got this choice right here. You can spin around. Really cool. Changing whatever mood you're in to relax and stuff. You go with the blue for gaming. You can always tweak it down to you. And then I'm going to connect the other two. Hold on 1 second. Alright guys, we're at the final stages. And if you can't reach your barcode, they got options where you could just scan it with the Wi-Fi network and it'll just pick it up right away. So that's what I had to do. And it's called Wi-Fi CCCT A19. There it goes. Bada boom. So we got that connected. And then bulb. Bathroom 1. And then switch, save. Oh. Bulb 1. Bulb 1. Shoot the space. There we go. Done. Okay, bulb 1. I'm going to change that to bulb 2. So you gotta go up here. BUL. Bulb 2. Bulb 2. Save. Go back. Go back. And then bulb, 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 bulb. Bulb 3. Bulb space 3. Got them like that. Boom. And then I think I could group them. See, bulb 1 will be that one. Change color. That one. And bulb 2. These are easy to hook up. Bulb 2 right there. So that's about it, guys. I mean, pretty much it's simple to use. If you don't know what to get to your parents on this holiday season, definitely let them have this smart technology. It's really cool. No, I don't want to delete nothing. Spare, I'll do right here. See, create room, bathroom, basement. 1, 2, oops. So you could just add it. 1, let me add. Okay. So base band right there. There we go, got them 3 add. And here you go. Alright guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Get them now. Be safe. Have a good night.